Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best narrow 3-tier organizing rack is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for decluttering any area of your home, from cramped kitchens and bathrooms to overflowing closets and garages, offering a sleek and efficient way to maximize vertical storage without taking up valuable floor space, making it an essential item for anyone looking to bring order and functionality to their living environment. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing the SPACEKEEPER Slim Rolling Storage Cart. This versatile organizer offers flexible 3-tier storage, perfect for maximizing space in any narrow area of your home. Customize its layout with removable shelves to suit your needs. Its slim design effortlessly fits into tight spaces, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms. Glided anywhere with 360 degrees rotating casters, 2 of which have brakes for secure placement. The lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures it stays stable without wobbling. Crafted from waterproof and humidity-resistant PP plastic, it's built to last. The hollow design allows for easy draining and cleaning, preventing water accumulation. This compact organizer is perfect for lightweight storage in small spaces like dorms or tight corners. Use the side hoops for extra hanging space and high-walled baskets to secure your items. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required. Simply snap the components together following the visual guide for a quick and secure setup in minutes. What we like? This cart is perfect for tight spaces. Its slim profile and rolling casters allow you to easily maneuver it into narrow gaps. If you need to organize items in a small bathroom, laundry room, or between appliances, this is an excellent choice for maximizing vertical storage. What people say. The rack is easy to assemble and fits perfectly in narrow spaces. It holds a good amount of items and keeps my counter clutter-free. The tiered design allows for easy access to all items. Number 4. SONGMICS 10-Tier Shoe Rack ULSA 25BK. This shoe rack offers incredible flexibility. You can stand it upright, flip it over for extra space underneath, or even split it into 2 smaller units to fit your needs. It's designed to hold a lot, accommodating up to 22 pairs of shoes. The thoughtful spacing between tiers even allows for ankle boots. Built with quality plastic connectors and thick metal tubes, this organizer is robust and durable. Each tier can support up to 22 pounds, ensuring your footwear has a stable home. Setting up this shoe shelf is a breeze. Thanks to its simple structure, numbered parts, and clear instructions, you can assemble it quickly without any tools. Keeping it clean is simple. The smooth coating allows for easy wiping with a damp cloth, saving you time and effort. What we like? This organizer offers substantial vertical storage for footwear. It's ideal for entryways or closets where you need to store a large number of shoes efficiently. If you have a big shoe collection and are looking for a space-saving solution, this multi-tier rack is a great option. What people say. The rack is easy to assemble and fits perfectly in narrow spaces. It holds a good amount of items and keeps my counter clutter-free. The tiered design allows for easy access to all items. Number 3. SONGMICS 3-Tier Bathroom Shelf ULGR 103B01. Tired of bulky shelves in your tiny bathroom? Meet your lifesaver. This space-saving shelving unit is designed for small areas, offering 3 tiers of storage without taking up too much room. Crafted from quality powder-coated steel, this unit is built to last. Each tier can support up 110 pounds, so you can confidently place your favorite items on it. Customize the storage to fit your needs. Each shelf's height is adjustable, and you can even extend the rack to fit your space perfectly. It comes with adjustable feet for leveling and easy-to-clean liners to protect smaller items. Plus, a removable hook adds extra functionality. You'll receive a rust-resistant storage rack, shelf liners, adjustable feet, and an extendable design. Assembly is simple and requires no tools. What we like? This shelving unit is designed for small spaces, offering a compact yet functional storage solution. Its adjustable and extendable features make it highly adaptable to your specific needs. If you have a tiny bathroom or limited floor space and require customizable storage, this rack is a versatile pick. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a good amount of items. It fits perfectly in narrow spaces and is easy to assemble. The design is sleek and modern, complementing my kitchen decor. Number 2. JayRex 3-tier movable corner shelf organizer. Tired of cluttered countertops? This versatile organizer can be configured as a corner shelf or a straight-tiered shelf, adding up to 30% more usable space. It's perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, or coffee station. Use it as a spice rack, a place for your coffee essentials, or even a plant stand. It truly helps keep your home organized. This organizer doesn't just save space, it looks great too. The classic rustic design with adjustable shelf heights allows you to store items of various sizes with ease. Constructed with durable aluminum tubes and non-slip feet, it's designed to be stable and protect your surfaces. Plus, it comes with hooks to keep your cooking tools within reach. Get organized in minutes. Assembly is quick and easy, taking less than 8 minutes. Cleaning is a breeze too, just a simple wipe with a damp cloth. What we like? This organizer brings a stylish and functional touch to your countertop. Its unique corner design and rustic look add charm while maximizing space. If you're looking to organize your coffee station, spices, or bathroom counter with a decorative piece, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a good amount of items. It fits perfectly in narrow spaces and is easy to assemble. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 1. ADZ Game Storage Tower, White. Keep all your games organized and in one place with this versatile storage tower. It's designed to complement your existing gaming setup. Setting up this game stand is a breeze. It comes in just a few parts that easily slot together, and the non-slip feet keep it secure. This tower offers optimal storage, holding up to 36 game discs. You can even stack multiple units for even more space. Need more room? It's stackable, allowing you to add more storage on top. It's a great way to save space and stay organized. Built to last, it features anti-slip pads to ensure it stays firmly in place. Choose the full tower for floor standing or a half unit for shelves. Designed specifically for modern game cases like PS4 and Xbox One, it ensures a snug fit for your collection. What we like? This tower is the ultimate solution for gamers. It efficiently stores a large number of game discs and is designed to fit with various console accessories. If you have a substantial game collection and want to keep it organized and easily accessible, this storage tower is a must-have. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a lot of items. It fits perfectly in narrow spaces and is great for organizing. Assembly was easy and it looks nice in my pantry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.